Hello everyone. I am here today with our Poly Studio X Microsoft Teams collaboration bars. Here we have the Poly Studio X50 and here we have the Poly Studio X30, and today I'm going to show you one of our favorite features of the Microsoft Teams collaboration bars, a feature called Proximity Join. So now more than ever we're wanting to avoid touching shared surfaces when possible. Also love that convenience of just being able to see that a room is available, walk in, pull out my phone or laptop and join right from that device. So all you have to do to use Proximity Join is open Microsoft Teams on your phone or your laptop, press Join with Room. You'll then see a list of the nearby rooms and also some rooms that are in your organization that are available. Select the room that you'd like to join with, press Join, and you're good to go and good to start collaborating on a Microsoft Teams meeting with awesome audio and video from our Poly Studio X Microsoft Teams collaboration bars. To learn more, visit us at poly.com.